Are you sick? Yes, I'm sick. How is she? She is beautiful. What time is it? It's 9:30 p.m. What do you do? I'm a student. When will you go? I will go on Sunday. Can you hear me? No, I can't. Do you like me? Yes, I like you. Do you know him? Yes, I know him. What are you doing? I'm taking shower. Where do you live? I live in London. Are you there? Yes, I am. Do you need help? Thanks for asking. Could we play cricket? No, I don't like play. Why are you laughing? Because I heard a joke. When did he send it? A few minutes ago. Will you tell me that? Yes, I will tell you. Should I go now? No, just wait. Who told you that? My friend told me. Did you finish the job? No, I didn't. How was your day? It was nice. How tall are you? I'm 7 feet tall. What do you want? I want a laptop. Who are they? They are relatives. Who is dancing? Tom is dancing. Are you coming? Yes, I'm coming. Is it yours? Yes, it's mine. How old are you? I'm 23 years old. Where are you from? I'm from London. Is this news true? Yes, this news is true. What is your name? My name is Ali. Where are you going? I'm going home. Who is that man? He is my brother. Can you handle it? I'll try to handle it. Will it rain today? Yes, it may rain today. Can you find it? No, I'm busy now. Do you like snow? No, I don't like it.